Hey, we are live again. Marcus Body Coding Live. New footwork every day, remember. You see, we do. No excuses. Are you ready to see? Watch for yourself first. Yeah, he late. Let's go. Yeah, this is the move, heel 8. Remember, no excuses. Let's do it together with me. I'll switch the cameras. Yeah, let's do it together. On the grass. Yes, we can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. Let's go. We'll start with the left. We step to the front, tap to the back. Step to the back, tap, heel, tap, and step. Once again with the right. Step to the front, tap to the back. Step to the back, tap, heel, tap, and step. Yeah, now with the left again. Step, tap, step, tap, heel, tap, step. Again. Step, tap, step, tap, heel, tap, step. Now, let's do it with a count. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, that's the move. Yes, this is the move. Heel 8. Whoa, what an amazing move. I know, maybe I'm not that objective, but what do you care? You want to practice again? Wait, you still here? Let's practice again. Now, face to face. I want to see it. Imagine yourself staring in a mirror. We'll do it face to face, staring in the mirror. Work on the makeup. No, practicing, of course. Let's practicing now, face to face. Let's go. Starting with the left again. Let's go. We do step, tap, step to the back. Tap, heel, tap, step. Now with the right. Step, tap, step, and tap, heel, tap, step. Now let's do it again. Let's go. Step, tap to the back, step, and tap, heel, tap, step. Step, tap, step, tap, heel, tap, step. Again. Step, tap, step, tap, heel, tap, step, step, tap, step, tap, heel, tap, step. Yes, this is the move. This is the move and this is the groove. By the way, these are universal moves. Universal moves. Why do we do that? So you can use them in any kind of dance that you want. Salsa, Bachata, Kizomba, Zumba, hip hop. By the way, salsa on 1 and on 2, because you can do it with the right and with the left. And by the way, if you are the serious student that want to see serious results, why don't you meet me in the studio? How do you do that? You can check the link above, below, to the sides. And if you're Instagram, check the link in my bio to the YouTube channel. Yes, and search for this move. Heel 8. Yes, heel number 8. And you can practice with me this move in the studio. Yes, no wind, no rain, just me and you in the studio for free. Anytime you want. But the best time to do it is right now. Remember, no excuses. Do it right now. Do the practice right now so you can do this move in today's party. Yes, you'll practice and then you can come to the party all confident and do the move. Just there in the middle. Do the move. Yeah, you deserve it. You did the practice. And make sure you do it today. Why today? Because tomorrow there's no footwork. No footwork every day. Marcus Body Coding Live. So do this move today and let's meet tomorrow for no footwork. See you tomorrow then.